What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing an unboxing of the Banpresto Bleach Soul Entered model Ichigo Kurosaki. Now this is not new in any way. It's just that I won this from a paid raffle for only 75 pesos. I won Ichigo here and Luffy. So I won those two in that specific paid raffle. And since I already have it, might as well do an unboxing with it. So this is the front of the box. Side, back. The other side, we have the top part here, bottom, there, and let's go ahead and open it. Okay. So this is different from the usual Banpresto that I open, at least. So instead of the typical cardboard inside that's holding the figure, we have a clamshell here. And yeah, it's a clamshell. Plus, I thought you don't need to assemble it, but it turns out you still do. So we have the stand. The figure itself is in the clamshell. Let's remove it now. Okay, so I think it's supposed to be floating. Yep. So reconnect the base connector there, and then okay, connect the peg here. I think this is support or front support for the knee. There you go. So support for that part. Let's remove it first. It's already locked in there. Alright, so looks good. And then finally, let's attach the sword. Are you removable? I think it should be removable. It's not? How the frick do you attach this? The hand isn't even open. Hold on. Let's try something. So, connect it. Okay. So that's how it is. And then we have Ichigo Kurosaki on his Bankai form. This is a really cool figure. Especially the 1,000-year war arc is already about to come out. I think October later this year. So this is a really timely figure for me as well. So at least I have an Ichigo figure when that anime is happening. So let's zoom in a bit. Or camera's not focusing. It. So the face looks nice. Let's give it a little spin. It's an action pose, so it really gives off a badass vibe right here. Oh, they just announced, I think yesterday or the other day, Banpresto Bleach figures. Those are the typical Banpresto figures, the one that's just standing up, no action poses. And I remember I saw Ichigo there, and the old captain, the old man captain. I forgot his name. I haven't watched or read Bleach for a very long time. So yeah, you can just check that out. I think that's already announced in all social media posts or platforms. So there is the Bleach Soul Entered model Ichigo Kurosaki Bankai version. So if you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments, suggestions, if I missed anything on this video, put it on the comment section. And as always, sorry, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see more contents coming from me. And as always, which is the correct timing of it, stay safe and have a good day.